In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily install and set up MetaMask on your web browser. MetaMask is widely admired for its ease of use and versatility in managing cryptocurrencies and interacting with decentralized applications. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to join the world of decentralized finance safely and efficiently. Let's get started by visiting the official website for MetaMask. You'll want to navigate to metamask.io. It's always crucial to ensure you're on the correct website by double-checking the URL, as this will protect you from potential security threats, such as phishing sites. Once you're on the MetaMask website, look for the Download or Get MetaMask button. Click on that and it will take you to a page where you can select your preferred browser or platform. MetaMask supports most major browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Brave, and Opera, so choose the one you're using. You'll be redirected to the extension store page for your chosen browser. Here's where you will begin the download process. Go ahead and click Add to Browser, Install, or Add Extension, depending on the browser's prompt. Keep an eye out for any permission pop-ups which appear before the installation can begin. These permissions are necessary for MetaMask to operate properly, so make sure to confirm them. Once the extension is successfully installed, you'll notice the MetaMask icon appearing in your browser's toolbar or extension area. It's good to check that it's visible, as this indicates MetaMask is ready for setup. Now let's proceed with setting up your wallet. Click on the MetaMask icon to open the extension. If you're new to MetaMask, you can choose to create a new wallet. This is an exciting step into the digital wallet world. Alternatively, if you already have a wallet, you can import it using your recovery phrase or private key. One critical step here is securely backing up your recovery phrase. Write it down offline and store it in a safe place. Never share this phrase with anyone, as it serves as the key to unlocking your wallet. Additionally, you'll set a password or PIN for an added layer of security. This is what you'll use to access the MetaMask interface regularly. With these steps complete, your MetaMask wallet is now ready to use. You can begin sending or receiving cryptocurrency and interacting with dApps or Web3 sites. A helpful tip is to be cautious and ensure that you only authorize interactions with trustworthy sites to keep your digital assets secure. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough of installing MetaMask. Now you're equipped with a powerful tool to help navigate the ever-evolving landscape of digital finance. Happy trading and exploring within the decentralized web.